Hello, 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 stop waving. I'm using today Alaska, Illuminate, Pink Margarita, Boarding Pass, and Summer Vibes, and Blackout. This is the second coat of Alaska, and that will be cured. It's day 7 of UK lockdown, day 14 for me of isolation. Not gonna lie, I'm drinking on a school night because there's no school tomorrow, so that's fine. I'm putting some dots of the colours in a circle here. I will say that I did this and I did the circle too big, so I wiped the nail and then did all of this step, but it didn't work as well on a wiped nail, so don't do what I did and get it right first time and do it on the tacky layer. If you really don't like it, do another coat of white or a coat of base coat to get that tacky layer back if you do have to wipe it off. I'm going off for one. So I've done the dots, didn't cure them, and I'm using some IPA on my brush, some isopropyl alcohol, and just tapping it over the dots and letting it make them disperse and blend and give a sort of watercolour vibe. And I over-faff with this. Of course I do. I'm a faffer. So I probably could have popped it in the lamp in a sec, but I just went on, and where bits were dispersing too much, I dipped my brush in IPA and then dipped it in some of the polish that I had on a palette and added it that way. You could probably do this with pigments, with some neon pigments or something, and mix them with some base coat and go straight on with the colours. But I was using polish, so as you can see, I'm getting a bit, I got a bit too IPA happy. I can talk non-stop all the time. Comes to recording, words just fall out of my head. So I was adding some more and then using IPA again and adding some more, and just until I was happy, and that had a cure. And I'm now using Blackout to do the centre of the dandelion. I didn't know whether to do like a side view of just the top spokes, but it's a full circle, so I just did them coming out in all directions, and possibly should have pulled them out a bit more, a bit longer, but never mind. So I used the black from that dot in the centre to just drag it out quickly and messily. I flash cured that, and I'm just popping some dots on, not perfect dots, just teeny tiny blobs. And now I should have left it like that, but I made it thicker because I wanted to faff some more. So I made this a bit thicker, and then I'm using Alaska to pop some white on, and then I wanted to sort of water that down. So I added some IPA and then added far too much, so I had to use the brush to soak up the excess there, just where I've watered it down too much. When I say water, I mean IPA, diluted, I suppose I should say. And then I did the same on there. I just wanted to make the black a little less harsh. And that had a cure. Oh no, I did these first, some little white dots, because why not? Then that was cured, and it was topped with diamond gloss. Oh yeah, I did some little doodads there, and diamond gloss, and then it had a cure. And that is that. Day 7 of video a day, or day 8 of video a day. Can't remember. Have a look. Go to my channel for lots more videos, some more complex, some nice and easy. Something there for everyone, hopefully. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.